Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale's Megalovania on piano easily. We'll begin by focusing on the iconic main melody, primarily using your right hand. This approach simplifies the learning process significantly. Remember, patience is key. Practice each section at a slow pace, gradually building up your speed. You'll be surprised how quickly you can master this challenging piece with a structured approach. Let's dive into the right-hand melody, which is the heart of Megalovania. We'll start with a simple four-note pattern: G, C, B, and A sharp. Try using your first finger on G, second on C, third on B, and fourth on A sharp. Practice this short phrase repeatedly, aiming for smooth transitions. Mastering this small segment will build a strong foundation for the rest of the song, making the entire piece much more approachable. Now, let's introduce a simplified left-hand part to complement your right hand. For the initial phrase, try playing a single low C note with your left hand. This provides a foundational bass sound without overwhelming you. The key here is coordination. Practice playing both hands together at a very slow tempo. Focus on synchronizing the notes, gradually increasing your speed as your hands become more accustomed to working in tandem. To truly master Megalovania, consistent practice is essential. Aim for short, focused sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, rather than one long session. Incorporate a metronome to refine your rhythm and ensure precise timing. Break the song into small, two-measure sections, mastering each before moving on. This systematic approach will help you build confidence and achieve a smooth, impressive performance of this iconic video game theme.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.